Okay, so now we have the unboxing review of my new toy. Now I got a Charnwood bandsaw. It's a B350, which is a 14-inch bandsaw. I got it from a company called Yandos. I want to stress first of all that I purchased it. This was not a free tool to do a demo. I've had a few questions about that before. No, I buy my tools. At the moment they're giving this giveaway. It's a Draper vacuum cleaner as well, which is great. It's £90 normally. They are giving it as a free gift if you buy or saw. Now I haven't even undone the straps on this thing yet, and I'm really excited to give it a go. A couple of things I bought while I was there. I got 3 additional bandsaw blades. I got a 1/4, 2 1/4s, and a 1/2 inch. I break blades every now and then, so I bought spares before I could do any more damage. Okay, scissors. Alright, let's see what's in it. Nothing of beauty. Alright, now to get it out. It's not light. It's 80 kilos. And at first look, it's pretty much completely assembled. Okay, let me get rid of this and we can start putting it together. Alright, first thought is it's really well packaged. It's not too worried about if I had to ship that. And it's big. Bigger than I thought, but perfect. Okay, step 1, read the manual. And then I think I will assemble, it comes with a base. I think I'll assemble the base and get that, get the saw elevated before I work on anything else. So, you don't want to watch me read it, so I will be back. Okay, I'm just going to balance this on top of my table saw so I can get to the bottom. Remember kids, lift with your legs, not your back. Okay. That's the bottom. Haven't done the best paint job inside there. But so far that's the only thing. It just kind of smacks of workmanship, really. Nice, solid base. Seems great so far. The only thing I was surprised by so far was the incredibly crap paint job in the bottom, which could lead to rust. I don't get that one at all. And Charnwood did not supply a wrench for the table mounts. All sorts of other wrenches and Allen keys, but if you're going to buy one of these, you need to get a 14mm or 9/16 wrench to do up the bolts. Okay, next thing is the table. This is heavy duty and also just heavy. Looks good so far. I'm going to have to use some kind of thinners to get all this protective coating off. Over. Don't lose that. And we have to undo some bolts. Okay, so those are all, loosen them and take them out. 1, 2. 3, 4. Set this over here like so. Put it down. We grab the nuts, which I've conveniently left out of reach. This is kind of a two-person job, but my second person is currently outside chewing on a bone, so not much good there. Okay, so we got first two, second two, 3. Now it says to apply all 4 when it's like this, but since you can't actually physically reach that 4th one, then put it to flat, horizontal. Alright, now they have these handy dandy wing nuts. Apparently these are going to go under here for the fence. One, 2, 3, and 4. 4. Four is being difficult. 4 is not a team player. 4. Okay, I'm going to get some thinners and clean off this top before I go any further. Alright, next up is the hill edge. That lines up perfectly. I'll do some small adjustments to that once I get the fence on. Let's put the zero clearance plate back in, which of course is not quite zero, so probably have to make a new one of those because there is about a 1 mil gap there. Okay, so now it's just applying the fence. That goes on there easy. It's really, there's very little wobble in that. It's nice and strong. I quite like that actually. Okay, and we can line this up. Okay, I'm going to go for 0. It's almost lined up. Undo those. And again, we'll do micro adjustments in a bit. Alright, so I haven't done any fine adjustment to it at all. So first I want to check, I'm just using the factory stop settings. So just checking the table to the blade. So that's about 1 millimeter out, but there is a little stopper just under here, make sure I'm on that, which will take a little bit of adjustment. Okay, just put in my square anywhere on here, locking that down. Seems really nice just right out of the bat. Yeah, it tightens up beautifully. I'm surprised at that. Okay. Last thing is we have the miter. There's a very little bit of wobble in there, but I think I can live with that. Now the cool thing I would like about here is they have an automatic tension gauge. You can see inside here. That's clever. Okay, some quick test cuts. It's a block of pine. There you go. Cut through that quite nicely. It's a little rougher than I thought, but it's only a 4 TPI, I think. Alright, let's do the big one. I got that really easy. It's not quite as square as I would like, so I would need to check the, well, you check the bottom of that, you check all sorts of things, but it did cut it very nicely. Now I just want to see how tight a radius I can cut. Just adjust that first. That actually did a very nice, very lovely, smooth cut. I'm going to do a hardwood test now. This is a piece of Ovango. Nice, beautiful hardwood I got from the Andals yesterday when I got the same saw. Now I want to make these into small strips to make pendants. So first I need to rip it down. Let's see how we do. That cut that very nicely. And I'm going to give it a try for some 1 centimeter strips and see how we do. Bring that way. I see it there. That it's come out really square. If I reverse them, I'm still getting a great edge. Okay, so this is the Charnwood B350 bandsaw. It's got a 14-inch throat, cuts up to 9 inches deep. Now, I've never had a bandsaw this big before. I've had my little itsy bitsy one that I got from Aldi, which was fine. It was 60 pounds, 70 pounds. If you're cutting small stuff repeatedly, if you're doing 1/4-inch ply veneer strips, I don't see really a problem with that. Broken multiple blades on it, broken the knobs, the adjustment's fiddly, it comes off the track all the time, and so I've been unhappy with it. But it's lasted me a year. What I'm going to attempt to do with that is turn it into a belt sander. I've seen that done a couple times and it works really well. This one is a beast, but I wanted a beast. I do a lot of oak and hardwoods. I wanted to help me cut my sculpture out. So good things about it, adjustment's really easy, fence is great. I've got a 9-inch clearance. It's got the blade tensioning. It has got its own LED little drop light, which would work if I hadn't unplugged it. It has a dust collection box, which has already done its job. It also has some extraction ports on the back. I'll turn it around just for a second. So got a motor back here. We've got a dust port here with multiple size extractors, which I didn't even know. That's cool. The blades are easy to remove. It's got this very handy adjustment feature. Goes up to 45 degrees. It's got the quick release belt tensioning device. Poof, change the blade. To change the blade, all you really need to do is do that, take the fence off, and swap it right out. This is a little hangers got for the Allen keys, and of course the push block hangs right inside. So I got this from Yandles. They're having a sale. It was $5.49. With that $5.49, I also got the vacuum cleaner thrown in for free. It's a proper bargain, I think. It's heavy duty. I can't wait to play with this. Looking forward to doing some much more intricate stuff. So hope you liked it. Hope you found it informative. If you're looking for a good bandsaw this size, a good 14-inch bandsaw, it's a no-brainer really. Anyhow, quick disclaimer: I am not sponsored by Charnwood. I'm not sponsored by Yandles. I got this because I already have one of their table saws, and I was very impressed with its performance. I did a review on that one as well. I've had that one for over a year now. I'm still really happy with it. So I decided to go for their bandsaw. And from what I see so far, it seems ace. Okay, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and see you next time.